Hi, Colin with Diode. Today in the garage, we're going to be showing you how to install our new SS3 Fog Light Kit on this 2014 Lexus IS250. Now this kit does fit a number of other Lexus models. To see if it fits yours, you can use our vehicle finder tool in the description box below. The tools we'll need for this installation is a plastic trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a 5/32 Allen key. As you can see, this vehicle is equipped with aftermarket air suspension and an aftermarket splitter. So we have the vehicle raised all the way. First and foremost, for our application, we're going to need to drop this splitter. To start our installation, we have our wheels turned all the way to the left. This is so that we can gain access to the back of the bumper, because we'll be peeling our fender liner back using a plastic trim removal tool and a small flathead screwdriver. To peel our fender liner back, we're going to be removing this plastic push clip and then these three other clips. To remove our first plastic push clip, we're going to grab our plastic trim removal tool and use it to pry it up and out. To remove the other three clips, we're going to take our small flathead screwdriver and turn the screw in the middle 90 degrees. Then we'll use our plastic trim removal tool to pry it away from the bumper and out. In addition, underneath the bumper, we will have to remove another plastic push clip and a Phillips head screw. Now we have our fender liner peeled back, we'll need to remove this air duct to gain access to the back of the fog light. To do this, we'll be using our plastic trim removal tool to remove one plastic push clip holding it on from the bottom of the bumper. Coming from underneath the vehicle, we need to remove the white connector on the side of the air dam and remove 4 Phillips head screws holding on the air duct and the factory fog lamp. And then unplug the factory fog light harness. Now we can separate the air duct from the bumper. This will take some wiggling, just be patient and be sure not to break those rubber washer lines. You can go ahead and let this hang, it's not going to hurt anything. Once you have the air duct out, you can remove the factory fog lamp by tilting the lens towards the outside of the vehicle and pulling it straight out. Now that we have our factory fog light removed from the vehicle, we can go ahead and assemble our SS3 pod to our bracket. Our first step is to take our supplied nuts with a nylon lock ring facing the inside and drop them in on either side of the SS3. Now we can assemble our bracket to our SS3. When doing this, it's important to make sure that the DD logo on the back of the bracket and the DD logo on the lens of the SS3 are oriented the same way. And then take our supplied 5/32 Allen bolts and washers and feed them through the side of the bracket and into the SS3, leaving them hand tight to leave room for adjustment. Coming back over to the vehicle, we'll grab our supplied DT adapter and plug it into the factory fog light harness and plug the Deutsch connector into the back of the SS3. Then we can turn on our fog lights to test them for functionality. If it doesn't come on, don't worry, just flip the connector 180 degrees and it should come on just fine. Now we can take our new fog light assembly and line them up with the factory mounting positions on the back of the bumper. Now we're going to want to turn on our SS3s and make our final aiming adjustments. Once you're happy with where those are aimed, you can go ahead and take a 5/32 Allen key and tighten down those 2 bolts on the side of the SS3. With our SS3s installed, you can go ahead and put everything back together the same way we used to take it apart, and then repeat the same steps we used to install this side on the other side of the vehicle. As you can see, with our new SS3 Fog Light Kit installed, not only will it give you a significant increase in light output, but also give you a more clean and modern look. If you're looking to pick up an SS3 Fog Light Kit for your vehicle, or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.